Natural, really strong cough syrup that has been floating around, no pun intended, on TikTok. This is made with garlic, fresh ginger, and raw honey. And it takes about 2 weeks to make this, and it is so good for your immune system and fighting this new COVID strain. I would say it's going to work way better from all the family members that I have had that have used this, and they say it works amazing. So like I said, I am from North Carolina, and I have so many recipes, and this is, I've seen this going around on TikTok, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I know all about that. So I wanted to make a small jar so you guys could see it, and if you need the recipe, I can upload it and on here real quick, in text. This one I actually made a little extra strong because I wanted one that had a few more ingredients in it. This one has star anise oil, and it also has clove. That's why it looks so dark. And these take about 2 weeks to make. It's amazing. It's just so fun to do it. Chop everything up, and then once 2 weeks is over, you have this really strong natural product that will build up your immune system and help you fight anything that comes your way.